morning, students. Welcome back to your VVPSC learning class. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the demonstration of lesson 11, that is degrees of comparison. I have told you that adjectives are of three forms: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So today I am going to demonstrate the exercises of this chapter. So if you feel any problem in this chapter, in any definition, it is not clear for you, you can ask me in the class group or personally also. Okay, students? So today I am going to tell you that there are three types of degree of comparison. So I can make it clear through the exercises also, and I can tell you how can you change the positive degree into comparative and comparative into superlative. So students, let's begin with the exercises. Chapter number 11, degrees of comparison. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your demonstration of this chapter. Today I am going to make it more clear through the table. That is, table is given like this. It is positive degree words are there: tall, big, fat and strong. When we can change into the comparative, tall will change into taller and superlative tallest. Next is big. Big will be changed into comparative, it will be bigger, and superlative it will be biggest. When positive degree word is given fat, in comparative it is fatter, and in superlative it is fattest. Next is strong, stronger, strongest. Okay, so the words can change like this when we change positive into comparative and superlative. Now, however, some of the adjectives form their comparative and superlative degrees in different ways. Let's see in the below table. Positive degree words are written simply. It is bad, good and beautiful, but we can change when it change into comparative. Bad will change into worse, and superlative it will be changed like worst. Good word is given, it will be changed into better, and in superlative it will be best. Next is beautiful, it will be changed in comparative, it will be more beautiful, and when we will change into superlative it is most beautiful. Now let's begin with the exercises also. In this chapter, two exercises are given. So you can mention today's date, 21/10/20, exercise A and classwork. You have to finish these two tables on your English language fair copy. You have to write these two tables in your English language copy also. Okay. After that, you can continue with your exercises. So mention exercise A. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with correct degree of comparison. First, Sohan is, word is given thin in the bracket. You have to change into comparative. Sohan is thinner than his brother. Okay. So thin word is changed into comparative degree. Next is Vardhaman books are the, good word is given in the bracket. We can change into the superlative degree, best to red. Next is India is hotter than America. Hot word is given in the bracket. We can change into comparative. It is hotter than America. Next is Piyush is smarter than Abhijit. Smart word is given into the bracket. There is comparison between Piyush and Abhijit, so we can change it into the comparative. It is smarter. As I have told you yesterday also, when we change into comparative, it will be ER is added at the end of the word only. Next is, fifth is Anuradha is, intelligent word is given in the bracket. You have to add more. When we change into the comparative, it will be the added more word, more intelligent, as same as beautiful. I have demonstrated now. So Anuradha is more intelligent than Anubhav. Next is sixth one. Today's match was more interesting than that of yesterday. Means today's match was more interesting. Means interesting word is given. There is comparison between today's match and yesterday's match. So we can making the comparison, so we add more interesting than that of yesterday. So let's begin with the exercise B. When you can complete exercise A, come to the exercise B. Take the correct degree of adjectives below. Abhimanyu is the most intelligent student in the class. So there is no comparison. So it will be correct is most. Abhimanyu is the most intelligent student in the class. Next is Shinar is faster than Sharan, because there is comparison between Shinar and Sharan. So faster word will be tick like this. You also complete in your fair copy like this, as I have completed in this copy. Kartar was the slowest amongst all participants. So no comparison is there, so slowest. Okay. Come to the next. Next is Dalhousie is cooler than Chandigarh, because in the comparison of Dalhousie and Chandigarh, so cooler word we will add. We change into the comparative degree. Next is fifth. Karthik is really a more promising boy. So Karthik is really a promising boy. Next is Shaurya is more faithful than his neighbors. Comparison is there, so more faithful. Next is Samarth and Shaurya are the thinner among all of us. So Samarth and Shaurya are the thinnest amongst all of us. It is thinnest. Okay. So we can change it like this. So students, you have to complete your exercises like this and write it neatly, clearly, and spelling should be correct. If you feel any confusion in any exercise, you can ask in the class group also. And today's your homework is to learn this chapter properly, and the exercises also revise it properly, clearly. Again, I am requesting then that please use blue and black pen to highlight your writing like this. Where I have written with the help of black, you can use black pen, and use blue pen where I have written in the blue pen also. Okay. So it will be more clear for you to learn the chapter. Writing is neat and clean like this. So highlight your writing. You can change the pen in blue and black like this and complete your work in your fair copy. This is the work of English language. So you have to write these 2 tables also in your language copy and these exercises also. Okay beta, thank you.